क्वेश्चन लेसन वन। ओके, सो लेसन वन के क्वेश्चन मैं आप लोगों को दे रहा हूँ। डिफाइन लाइफ स्पैन एंड मेंशन द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ क्रो, पैरट, बटरफ्लाई, tortoise and mayfly. Now question number 2, define reproduction and distinguish between sexual and asexual reproduction. Now question number 3, write down the advantage and disadvantage of sexual reproduction and also distinguish also advantage and disadvantage of asexual reproduction. Okay, now question number 4, draw a diagram of Chlamydomonas, zoospore, conidia of penicillin and sponge granule. Question number 5, what are vegetative propagule and give the example of runner, sucker, offset, tuber and bulbil rhizome. Next question number 6, distinguish between auto estrous cycle and menstruous cycle. Now question number 7, distinguish between haploid and diploid cells with example. Question number 8, distinguish between homogametes and heterogametes. Question number 9, distinguish between monoecious and dioecious with example. Question number 10, distinguish between external and internal fertilization with example. Next question, distinguish between oviparous and viviparous. Next question, what are pre-fertilization and post-fertilization event in plant? Event in plant. Okay, so now this is chapter 1. Now chapter 2. Okay, now chapter 2, draw the LS of flower and mention the function of each part. Next question, what is the meaning of diathecious anther? Question number 3, draw the TS of mature anther and function of its layer. Question number 4, explain microsporogenesis with diagram. Question number 5, draw a label diagram of pollen grain. Question number 6, draw a diagram of monocarpellary, bicarpellary and syncarpous pistil. Next question, draw a diagram of anatropous ovule. Question number 8, explain microsporogenesis with diagram. Question number 9, draw a diagram of mature embryo sac. Question number 10, write the importance of sporopollenin in anther. Question number 11, distinguish between self and cross pollination. Question number 12, write the function of filiform apparatus. Question number 13, distinguish between chasmogamous and clistogamous flower. Question number 14, distinguish between gentogamy and xenogamy. Question number 15, write the characteristics of wind insect water pollinated flower. Question number 16, what is pollen pistil interaction? Question number 17, what is self incompatibility, how it can be removed? Question number 18, distinguish between homogamy and diocy. Question number 19, how artificial hybridization is applied? Question number 20, explain double fertilization and its importance. Question number 21, explain the development of dicot embryo with diagram. Question number 22, draw a diagram of typical dicot embryo. Question number 23, draw the LS of embryo of grass. Question number 24, write down the covering of plumule and radicil. Question number 25, what is seed and distinguish between albuminous and non-albuminous seed. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25। नेक्स्ट देखें क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, ग्रास फैमिली कॉटिलिडॉन इज स्कैटलम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, डिफाइन पेरिस्पर्म, पेरिकार्प, हाइपोकोटाइल, एपिकोटाइल एंड स्कैटुलम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, डिफाइन द फ्रूट एंड डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ट्रू फ्रूट and false fruit. Question number 29, why apple is called false fruit? Question number 30, what is parthenocarpy and how it can be applied in fruit? Give example. Question number 31, write brief about apomixis and polyembryony. Question number 32, what is dormancy and how it can be break down? Okay, so now lesson 2 के क्वेश्चन हमने देख लिए. नाउ लेसन 3. लेसन 3 में देखें, ड्रॉ ए मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम and mention the function of its male accessory gland, testes, penis, and urethra. Question number 2. Draw the TS of testes and mention the pathway of sperm. Question number 3. Explain spermatogenesis with diagram. Question number 4. Draw a diagram of sperm and diagram of female reproductive system and mention the function of ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina. Next question, question number 6. Draw the TS of ovary and distinguish between primary, secondary, tertiary follicle. Question number 7. Explain oogenesis with diagram. Question number 8. What is menstruation and explain its phase with diagram. Question number 9. In the physiology of fertilization. और ये भी पूछ सकते हैं why egg cell is fertilized only by single sperm. Question number 10. What is implantation? Explain embryonic development with diagram. Question number 11. Write down the function of placenta. Question number 12. What is the future organ of ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm and gestational change. Question number 13. What is parturition and fetal ejection reflexes? Question number 14. What is lactation and draw a sectional view of mammary gland. Question number 15. Spermiation. Distinguish between spermiation and spermiogenesis. Question number 16. Is hymen sign of virginity? Explain. Now question number 17. Draw the human fetus and write down the function of fetal membrane. Question number 18. What is menarche, fertility period and menopause? ओके नाउ लेसन 4 के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. डिफाइन रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन विच ईयर फैमिली प्लानिंग एंड MTP इज लीगलाइज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ RCH एंड एक्सप्लेन्ड द IMR MMR. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट इज amniocentesis and give its negative and positive aspects. Question number 5. Write down the name of contraceptive pills prepared by CDRI. Question number 6. What are contraceptive methods? Mention the type with example. Question number 7. How IUCD and copper T works. Question number 8. Explain vasectomy and tubectomy with diagram. Question number 9. What is MTP and mention the conditions in which it is applied. Question number 10. What is STD? Mention bacterial, viral and fungal and protozoal STD. Question number 11. What is infertility, its type and cause in the male and female. Question number 12. What is IVF and explain about art like ZIFT, GIFT, ICSI, AI and IUT. Okay, so I think lesson 1 to 4 all questions I have given to you. You prepare your notes according to it. Okay, so one unit reproduction is completed.